Hi, I'm Jackie Duran, your Scentsy Family Consultant. Did you know that the whole month of August, almost everything in our current catalog is 10% off? Almost every single item in here is 10% off. That's because it's all going away to make room for our brand new fall and winter catalog that comes out September 1st. We have those great fall and winter scents that everybody knows and loves and falls in love with, because the holidays is the perfect time to really create those memories. And one of the best ways to create memories is with a scent. Who doesn't think of, when you think of the holidays and you think of Thanksgiving or Christmas or whatever it is that you celebrate during the holiday season, what is it that you think of? It's the smells, right? It's maybe like the apple pie baking in the oven. It's the sugar cookies that are baking. It's the sweet scent of pine that's on the Christmas tree. It's maybe the cinnamon that is coming out from all of the things that, we're doing over the holidays. Scent is a wonderful memory, and Scentsy is a great way to bring that memory home and really make our holiday season just the best that it absolutely can be and create those memories for our entire family. So this is the time. If you have been waiting on things in this catalog saying, well, I don't know. Guys, August is your last month to say the I don't know, because a lot of our scents are going to be going into the Scentsy Vault. They're going to be going into retirement. So like our lovely spring and summer scents, especially my favorites like Posy Peach and Happy Go Lucky. These are scents that August 31st are going to go away and retire. And so now is the time to stock up, because did you know that if you purchase a Combine and Save 6-pack of bars, that actually, the total cost normally is $25. This month it's only $22.50. That makes each bar only $3.75. Stock up on those scents while you can. Again, the warmers as well. If you have questions, don't hesitate to ask. You can find me on Facebook. Check out my other YouTube videos. Of course, my official Scentsy page as well. All that info should be down there for you. But if you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment here. I'd love to help you out and save some money this month.